everyone, it's Shanna here. I'm back again to work on my December daily. Today I'll be working on day 13, and originally I was going to use this 3x8, but then I came across this one and I really love the font for the wish list and the cute little bow underneath, and it really went well with the photo. So for today's story, I'm talking about a lot of our online purchases. You know, we had stuff from aunts and uncles and my parents and my sisters all ship stuff to us. And the majority of my Christmas shopping, I think I did online shopping, different online stores like for clothing, Old Navy or Amazon or Walmart. And I had seen a couple other people showing pictures of their packages. So I gathered up a few things and set it on the doorstep because I thought it would be a really nice addition for my December daily. Plus it's at our front door and my door that has the wreath on it. And the next day, for day 14, I'm actually doing kind of a zoomed in wreath. Actually, for the day after that is my wreath. So you'll definitely see that coming up ahead. For day 13, I will be talking about a lot of our online purchases. With COVID, a lot of things were shut down. We didn't do any typical walking through the malls or in-person shopping like we normally would. So I did do a lot of shopping at Amazon, and it was almost comical, just all the different packages that would slowly come. And the kids are older now. I think this is the first year where all three of them, they don't believe in Santa anymore, but they found it hilarious. And they were all asking to check the mail. So for today's layout, I will be working with this full 6x8. I also pulled out some stickers that I thought would look nice, and this number 13 from this year's December Daily Kit. I think at this point, a lot of people aren't really into watching Christmas videos, which is totally fine. It's kind of a goal I set out for myself to film all 25 days of my December Daily, even with all my foundation pages and going through all my products and picking up my favorites. And even though I had all my photos developed, you don't really realize how much prep work goes into it. And even with all my preparations, it definitely has taken a lot to get to this point. But I'm really enjoying the process, and thank you so much for tuning in. All right, let's get started.